Good morning, children. Today is 12th. Yes, that is Saturday. We are on chapter 4, fractions, and we are doing addition. Okay, in our last class, we have done addition with like fractions and improper fractions. Yes, in this class, I'll tell you how to add fractions when it is given in mixed fraction. When it is given in mixed fraction. So children, please pay attention. Let's take first example. How to add mixed fractions. How to add mixed fraction. So first is what? 5 plus 3 as a whole 2 upon 3 plus 2 as a whole 1 upon 9. So this is the fraction which we are supposed to add, which we are going to add. So children, there are two ways. Okay, there are two ways to add mixed fraction. Okay, first let's change these mixed fraction into improper fraction. First is what? Change these mixed fraction into improper fraction. Children, and also and please pay attention here. It is given 5, and 5 is what, children? Whole number. 5 is what? Whole number. So, and if no denominator is given, that means 1 is denominator. So 5 is numerator and 1 is what? Denominator. Plus, change into improper fraction. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So this will be 11 upon 3. Plus 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So 19 upon 9. So children, this step is clear. We have simply changed into improper fraction. Okay, this is improper fraction. This is unlike fraction. So what we are going to do now? We are going to take out LCM of denominators. We are going to take LCM of denominators. Why we need to take LCM of denominators? Because denominators are different here. So let's take out LCM. 1, 3, 9. Children, I never skip steps. You know why? Because I don't want to do silly mistakes. This is just starting. So I want you all to solve some step-wise step. Don't go for shortcuts. Okay. First practice, and once you practice nicely, you are thorough with the method, then you can go for shortcuts. But till that time, pay attention to each and every steps. Okay. So 1, no. 3, 1, no need to take. 2, no. 3, yes. 1 as it is, 1 time and 3. Again 3, 1 and 1. So what we have to do, children? We have to simply multiply these numbers. So 3 times 3 is 9. So children, LCM of denominators 1, 3 and 9 is what? 9. Yes, what is this, children? This is 9 LCM. This is LCM. This much is clear. Now what we have to do? We have to simply draw one division line and take this LCM 9 as a common denominator. We have to take this LCM 9 as a common denominator. Now read one's table till you get 9. So 1 into 9 is equal to what, children? 9. So 1 is already here. Pick this 9. Pick this 9 and multiply this 9 with this. Multiply this 9 with numerator 5. Okay. So 5 into 9. Copy this addition sign as it is. Now what is next? 3. 3 times 3 is what, children? 9. So 1 3 is already here. Pick this 3 and multiply with numerator 11. So 11 into 3. This much is clear. Now So children, now first we have done this, then this, now we are on this fraction. Yes, now see, 9 times 1 is what children? 9. Now 9 is here, pick this one and multiply with numerator 19. Copy addition sign as it is, so 19 into 1. This much is clear? Now, what you have to do next? Simply multiply this first. Multiply this. 5 into 9, 45, plus 11 into 3, multiply this one, 33. Then what is left? This. 9 plus 19. Yes children, now draw this line, division line, and 9 as denominator. Now this much is clear children. Now what you have to do, children, see again, I can add all three numbers together, but I can add step by step. First I will be adding this two. What is this? 45 plus 33. 5 plus 3, 8, 4 plus 3, 7. So what will be here children? 78 plus 19 upon 9. This much is clear? Now see children, what will be the next? Add this. 78 and 19 add, plus 19. So 9 plus 8, 17. Carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8, 1, 9. 97. So what is your answer here children? 97 upon 9. Yes? This much is clear children. Your answer is in proper fraction or improper fraction? This is what children? This is improper fraction. Now we have to change into mixed fraction. When we get answer in improper fraction, we always change into mixed fraction. How we are going to change? We will divide numerator by denominator 9. Okay, so what is numerator here children? 97. Okay, 9 ones are 9, 0. Bring this 7 here. Yes, bring this 7 here. So how many times it will go? 0 times. Yes, so 0 and 7. Yes children, so what will be your mixed fraction? Children, we write 10. We write this 10 as a whole number. So 10 as a whole number and this remainder as a numerator and divisor. This divisor or denominator will be same. So 9 times 10 is 90 plus 7, 97, right? 97 upon 9. So 10 whole and 7 upon 9 is our answer. This much is clear children? Now children, let's see the same example how we are going to do with second method. Now we are same example. I will be taking same example and I will be solving it with another method. Now pay attention here. What here I have to do children? I have here in this method I will separate whole numbers and fraction. I'll separate whole numbers and fraction. So what are whole numbers in this children? 5, 3 and 2 is a whole number. So what I'll be doing it? I'll take this in one bracket. 5 plus 3 plus 2. I'm repeating children. Here we will separate whole numbers from fraction. So what are the whole number here? First 5 is a whole number. In second 3 whole 2 upon 3. Which one is whole number? This 3 is a whole number. I have noted here. Now 2 whole 1 upon 9. So what is whole number here? 2 is a whole number. So I'll separate this whole number. 5 plus 3 plus 2. Why plus? Because we are going to add. Now children, what is there? See here. What is left? Now this is left. 2 upon, sorry, let me take. Now see, this is left. 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 9 is left. Copy here. 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 9. This step is clear, children? This step is clear? Now, I am repeating again. We will separate whole number from fractions. So, what are the whole numbers in this example? 5, 3, 2. 5 plus 3 plus 2 I have separated, and in one bracket, in another bracket 2 plus 3 and 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 9. This separation is clear to you? Now children, add. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Okay. Now keep this in bracket. Now add this. 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 9. What I have done, children? I have added this. 5 plus 3 plus 2. 5 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 10. Okay. Now I am going to add this fraction. This much is clear, children? Now see, fraction is what? Improper fraction. So, and unlike fraction. So what I am going to do? I am going to take out LCM. So LCM of 3 and 9. 3 times 1, 3 3s are 9. Again 3, 1, 1. Now what I am going to do, children? I am simply going to multiply this for LCM. So what will be the LCM? LCM of denominators 3 and 9 is equal to 9. So what is 9, children, here? This 9 is what? This 9 is LCM. So copy this 10 as it is and bracket, draw division line and 9 as a take this 9 LCM as a common denominator. Now reach 3's table until you get 9. So 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Okay, children. So this 3 is already here. Pick this 3. So 3 and multiply with numerator 2. So 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 3 plus 9. 9 into 1 is equal to what, children? 9. Yes, are you getting me? Yes. So 9 into 1 is what? 9. So 9 is already here. Pick this one. So 1 into 1. 1 into 1. Is it clear? We will multiply this 1 with numerator 1. This step is clear, children? Now in the next step, copy this 10 as it is. 2 into 3. First, now what you have to do, children? You have to multiply this. 2 into 3, 6. Okay. Sorry. And 1 into 1 plus sign as it is. 1 into 1. Numerator clear. Now children, see here. 10. 6 plus 1 is 7 upon 9. Yes. Now open this bracket. 10. 7 upon 9 is our answer. Yes, this is what our answer. This much is clear, children? Good. Now children, let's take one more example. Let's take one more example. Second example, 1 whole 1 upon 7 plus 2 whole 1 upon 14 plus 3 whole 1 upon 28. Yes, so all three fractions are given in mixed fraction. So children, let's do with the second method where we have to separate whole numbers, from fraction. Yes, we will separate all the whole numbers from the fraction and write it. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 in bracket 1 plus sign 2 plus sign 3. This much is clear. And now separate all the fractions. 1 upon 7, 1 upon 14, 1 upon 28. Okay children, so I'll be writing 1 upon 7 plus 1 upon 14 plus 1 upon 28. Now this much is clear. We have simply separated whole numbers from the fraction. This much is clear. Now what we have to do children on the next step, add this one. Add first whole number. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Okay children, I am repeating again. 1 plus 2, 3 and 3 plus 3, 6. Write 6 here. Okay. Now, you can open this bracket. Copy this 1 upon 7 plus 1 upon 14 plus 1 upon 28. This much is clear. Now children, please pay attention. Here what is, till now we have done added whole number. Now we are going to add fractions. We are going to add fractions. So children, please pay attention. These are what? These are proper fractions. Yes, but unlike fractions. These are proper fraction but unlike fraction. And for adding unlike fraction, what we are going to do? We are going to take out LCM. LCM of what children? LCM of denominators. Yes, we are going to take out LCM of denominators. So what are the different denominators here children? 7, 14 and 28. Yes, so what I am going to write here? 7, 14, 28. This much is clear. Now, 2. I always start from the smaller number children. So 2, what is this? 7 will never comes in 2's table. Write it like this. 2 times 7 is 14 and 2 times 14 is 28. 14. So 14. Again with 2, 7, 7, 7. Now 7. Why 7 directly? Because 7 is a whole number. Prime number. 1, 1. Now what we have to do children? Simple. We have to add these outer numbers, digits or number. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 7 is 28. So children, what I will be writing here? LCM of denominators 7, 14 and 28 is equal to 28. So this 28 is what children? LCM. LCM of denominators 7, 14 and 28. Very good. Now what we have to do? Children, copy this 6 as it is. Don't leave this 6. 6 as it is. Keep this bracket. Now draw one division line. Write this LCM 28 as a common denominator. Now you all know what we have to do. Read 7's table. Read 7's table until you get 28. So 7 times 4 is what? 28. 7 is here. What is not there? 4 is not there. What is not there children? 4 is not there. So multiply this 4 with numerator 1. So what I am going to write here? 1 into, no bracket is required. 1 into 4 plus sign, copy plus sign. Now read 14's table until you get 28. So 14 times 2 is what? 28. Okay, 14 is here children. What is not there? 2 is not there. Pick this 2 and multiply this 2 with numerator 1. With numerator 1. What you will be writing? 1 into 2. Copy this plus sign. Okay. Now read 28's table until you get 28. 28 into 1 is equal to 28. Yes children. So 28 you are getting here. Pick this one and multiply with numerator 1. So 1 into 1. This much is clear children. This step is clear. Now come to the next step. Copy 6 as it is and keep this bracket. Don't open this bracket right now. Now multiply this one. Multiply this box first. 1 into 4 is 4. Plus sign, copy as it is. Now multiply this 1 into 2. 1 into 2 is what, children? 2. Now copy this plus sign. Now multiply this 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 what, children? 1. Draw division line. Copy this denominator 28. Close bracket. This much is clear, children? Any doubt till now? No. Very good. Now 6. Copy this 6. 4 plus 2, children. What? Tell me. Come on, come on. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay. I'll do step by step. Add 4 and 2. 4 and 2 is 6 plus 1 upon 28. This much is clear? This much is clear, children? Now see here. Now see here. 6. Keep bracket. 6 plus 1. 7. And 28. Yes, children? 6 plus 1. When you will be adding this, 6 plus 1 is what? 7. 7 upon 28. Now, children, do you really feel that 7 and 28 is in its simplest form? No, it is not in its